travel with me to the Dreams Playa Dorada Hotel in Lanzarote, and also we may as well do a quick room tour while you're here. So we arrived in the evening time as we got a late flight from Ireland, and we had booked as the preferred club all-inclusive. So when you check in, they obviously take your cases, you're given a glass of Prosecco, and they explain to you about the app and the layout of the hotel and the restaurants. There was two of us. We obviously wanted a twin room, and we got a room with a double bed and a single bed, so there was more than enough space for the two of us in this room. The room was decently sized. I mean, I had no issues with the room. It was perfect. It served its purpose for us. The balcony was gorgeous, especially in the evening time, so it overlooked the main pool area. So we're kind of situated in the middle. There's the adults only side is on the other side of that wall, and then the other preferred club only pool is over that direction that you can see there on the opposite side of those buildings. So we're facing the middle area of the hotel. After we'd settled in, we went to the reception area, we got a few drinks. They do nighttime entertainment every night of the week, different acts. Always busy. This lobby area was always packed with people, but overall I found the room perfect for what we needed. I will have a full series on everything to do with the Dreams Playa Dorada Hotel, so if you're interested, do subscribe and check out the rest of the videos in this playlist.